with another lesson on today's current affairs, that is 26th October 2016, and these are 10 MCQs, and this will be your daily test forever and ever till I die. So this course will remain alive. And if you find these course helpful, do give 5 star to this course and do review it as much as possible. I really enjoy the process of reading these, and that keeps me going. And in comment section, like as much as you can, like you type out your score, what is the score you are getting and how to calculate that score. Like if you are getting 1 to 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 or more. So 1 to 3 is purely because of chance, so you have very low chance of selection. 4 to 5 is okayish, 6 to 7 is going good, 8 or more is like a very high chance of selection. And you have to watch the Hindu video in 10 minutes on Unacademy, and pause the video as soon as the question appears, solve the MCQ and then restart the video. And 100% of the time without fail, you have to calculate your score and write it in the comment section so that other people know and you yourself know after some times what is your progress. So which of the following are the tributaries of Krishna river? So before we move forward, I want you to name all the tributaries of Ganga and Brahmaputra, and you have to name them like right tributaries, left tributaries, and stuff like that. And I want you to tell me the exact origin and end of Ganga and total how many states it passes through, and exact origin of Brahmaputra and end of Brahmaputra and how many states it passes through. Okay, so which of the following are tributaries of Krishna river? Answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, because Kabini is not a tributary of Krishna river. It is in news a lot. So Panchganga, Musi, Paleru, Ghata Prabha. All these are tributaries. So answer is A, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can read here that left tributaries are Bhim, Dindi, Musi, Paleru, Halia, Muneru and Pedavagu. And right tributaries are Panchganga, Dudganga, Tungabhadra, Vena, Koyna, Ghata Prabha and Mala Prabha. So you have to remember these names because sometimes UPSC asks which is the following tributary and which is not the following tributary. And this is in news a lot. Interstate water dispute, Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari, all these becomes very important. Which of the following statement is or are correct regarding non-aligned movement? It was in news. It was like really in news for last 1.5 months. It is in news a lot. Today also it is in news. So it has 120 members. This is 1 point. In 2016 summit was held in Iran, and finally it was founded in Belgrade in 1961 as Conference of Heads of State. See, the 2016 summit was held in Porlamar, Venezuela. So this again I have covered in a previous MCQ. So even if you watch all these MCQ videos, you are stuck. Even if you don't study a single book at all, if you just solve these 12,000 MCQs, you might clear prelims. I'm not even kidding. Because 4,000 will be on current affairs, 4,000 on PIB, and 4,000 on static portion. So let me know if you want us to continue this. And so answer is C, that is 1 and 3. Second is wrong because it was held in Venezuela. And 2015 summit was held in Tehran and Iran. First and third statement are correct, so let's move forward. Consider the following statements. The Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership, that is TTIP, is a proposed trade agreement between India and the United States. Okay, the Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership aims to promote trade and multilateral economic growth. Which of the following is correct? See, it is definitely a proposed, but it has nothing to do with India because it is transatlantic. Even if you see this word, Atlantic Ocean, transatlantic is always between USA and Europe. So even if you apply your brain and if you think with open mind, you will say that this is wrong. It cannot be between India and United States. So answer is B only because it is between Europe and United States. So Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership is a proposed trade agreement between European Union and United States. Okay. So let's move forward. Which of the following statement is are correct regarding Make in India program? Now it is in news a lot. Amitabh Kant sir is working a lot on this. So which of the following is correct? It aims to promote entrepreneurship among small enterprises. It works under Ministry of Finance and it was launched on 25th September 2014. Here answer is C because it was launched on 25th September 2014. That is the only thing which is correct. It does not work under Ministry of Finance. It works under DIPP, that is Ministry of Commerce, and it aims to promote entrepreneurship. This is absolutely wrong. That is Startup India program. So first and second statement are incorrect. First statement is incorrect because Make in India aims to facilitate investment, foster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property, and build best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure. Second statement is incorrect because it works under Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, that is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Okay. Which of the following is not the principle of non-aligned movement? Again, this is in news. This can be asked in mains also. Write the 5 principles of non-aligned movement. This can be asked. Okay. So you need to know that. Okay. So mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, mutual non-aggression, mutual regional cooperation for trade, mutual non-interference in domestic affairs. Okay, so these are like, you must have heard about Panchsheel also, right? So third statement is incorrect here because of the principles of non-aligned movement are given below. Mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, mutual non-interference in domestic affairs, mutual non-aggression, peaceful coexistence, and equality and mutual benefit. Okay, so let's move forward. The Trans Himalayas are located in which of the following states of India? Now, Trans Himalayas, do you know the concept of Trans Himalayas? It was created due to collision of Eurasian plate, which are located in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, so that is why the answer becomes 1 and 3, that is B. And since they are the plate obviously, like Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are like sharing a border, so that is why 1 and 3 is the correct answer. So answer is B, that is 1 and 3. And you can read the reason here. Trans Himalaya is created due to the collision with Eurasian plate, which are located in Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, and these are made up of igneous rock system. So all these becomes important details, and next time you find this question, make sure it gets corrected. I obviously want you to like write your score in the comment section, so don't forget that. Match the following. Corbett National Park. Anybody should do this question at least correct. If you do not do this correct, then you are like seriously in trouble. Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Ranthambore, Great Indian Bustard. Now, Great Indian Bustard is found in which part? Do you know that? Do you know that which part Great Indian Bustard is found? So here answer is A, because Corbett National Park is definitely in Uttarakhand. Great Indian Bustard, it is found in Rajasthan also, Gujarat, Pakistan, Maharashtra. But Sariska is in Alwar. Alwar is in Rajasthan. So 3 has to be matched with 2. Periyar is definitely Kerala. So Great Indian Bustard is matched with 3. These kind of questions are asked by UPSC. Answer is A. That is first is matched by first, second is by third. Sariska is definitely Rajasthan, and fourth is Kerala. So I need you to prepare for all the contingencies. Great Indian Bustard is also found in Rajasthan, but Sariska is only found in Rajasthan. Okay. So that is why 3 is 2 and 2 is 3. Some other national parks are Ranthambore National Park, it is in Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan. Bandhavgarh National Park, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Kaziranga National Park, very very famous for one-horned rhinoceros, Assam. And Kanha National Park is near Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Which of the following countries are cut by equator in Africa? Now again, this becomes very important question. So you need to know all the countries which are cut by equator: Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, etc. So answer here is like Central African Republic is not cut by equator. If you see the map, you'll know Gabon, Congo, DRC, and Uganda are cut by equator. So answer is 1, 2, 4, 5. That is C. And here we just have to see the map. If you want me to include maps, I'll do it from next lesson. That's not an issue. Other countries which are cut by equator are Kenya and Somalia. So let's remember their name right now: Kenya, Somalia, Gabon, Congo, DRC, and Uganda. Gabon, Congo, DRC, Uganda, Kenya, Somalia. Which of the following schemes are under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment? National Commission for Safai Karamchari, Venture Capital Fund for Scheduled Castes, Pradhan Mantri Adarsh Gram Yojana, and Street Vendors Act. See, except Street Vendors Act, which is under Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation, all these schemes are present under Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So answer is 1, 2, 3. All 3 of them are correct. So answer is C. And so finally, the last question for today is Oxfam International report is related to which of the following purpose? Now, UPSC is fond of asking these reports. If you know this answer, well and good. If you do not know it, then you have to read about it. So the answer is inequality. It talks about inequality. So answer is A. And why? Because Oxfam report is related to inequality, and 2016 report is an economy for the 1%. So I hope you are enjoying these lessons. Do let me know what more innovations we can do. And thank you for watching this lesson. Have an awesome day.